This unique pleasure will be available worldwide, and Mansory's one-of-a-kind philosophy ensures that each of these vehicles leaves the factory as a unique example. Mansory F9XX. This is not only thanks to the significantly increased power of 1,100 horsepower and the performance that comes with it, but also to its visual appeal, crystal clear and free of any doubts and compromises. Only the best components of automotive refinement were used in this complete conversion: a body with lightweight components made of forged carbon, a significant increase in performance, suspension modifications, elegantly designed forged sports wheels in black, and various interior modifications made of the finest leather and carbon. In addition to the visual changes, the Mansory F9XX- also undergoes subtle but very effective revisions. As a result, the 4.0-liter V8 biturbo mid-engine now delivers 980 horsepower and 980 Nm to the crankshaft instead of the already impressive 780 horsepower and 800 Nm as standard. With the support of 3 electric motors, 2 at the front axle and 1 at the rear axle, the Mansory F9XX- thus surpasses the magical power limit of 1,000 horsepower and reaches an impressive system output of 1,100 horsepower. The Mansory F9XX can reach a top speed of -355 km per hour and accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.4 seconds. The newly designed and ultralight forged wheels in the sizes 9.5 by 21 and 12 by 22 are available with high-performance tires in the sizes 255/30 ZR21 VA and 335/25 ZR22 HA, and offer maximum performance in terms of lateral dynamics. The Mansory F9XX is sporty and elegantly oriented in the interior, completely upholstered in high-quality leather up to the last corner of the interior. The leather-covered carbon sports seats in particular are the visual highlight of the interior and create an atmosphere that perfectly combines high functionality, elegance, comfort, and exceptional design. The interior is selectively accentuated with carbon. A Mansory sports leather steering wheel, Mansory leather floor mats, and several precisely engraved Mansory logos elegantly complete the extensive refinement of the interior.